Welcome back to the Happy Hues. राधे राधे आप सभी को. So today we'll see how we can crochet this flower पोशाक for लड्डू गोपाल जी. हम देखेंगे किस तरह से हम ये फ्लावर्स की पोशाक बना सकते हैं लड्डू गोपाल जी के लिए. और ये हमने ओपन एंड बनाई है, so it will be easy to wear and with a little flower detailing on it. So let's see what is the material which we are going to require. You can just pause and check. Let's begin. So here we are using a 4-ply cotton yarn and starting with taking a slip knot here. So कुछ इस तरह से एक नोट बना लेंगे and then we'll crochet a long chain taking 17 channels. So इसी प्रोसेस को रिपीट करते हुए टोटल 17 चैनल ले लीजिए. And this is we are working for size 1. So here we are done taking our channels. So now to the next round. Next round शुरू करने के लिए आप फर्स्ट 2 चेन को स्किप करेंगे और टू द थर्ड वन हम एक सिंगल क्रोशे बनाएंगे इस तरह से. So we'll repeat again. Go to the next chain, yarn over and pull a loop. Crochet first 2 chain and then the last 2. And then repeat to crochet further. Okay, so now following the same pattern we'll complete the round. आप सेम पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट करेंगे. So here we are done with our round 1 और कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा ये आफ्टर राउंड 1. नेक्स्ट राउंड शुरू करने के लिए 2 चेन्स लेंगे here, then turn your work. जो चेन 2 है इसे हम कंसीडर करेंगे एज 1 डबल क्रोशे और नेक्स्ट स्टिच में जाएंगे एंड विल वर्क इंक्रीज डबल क्रोशे. दैट मीन्स एक ही स्टिच पे आप 2 टाइम डबल क्रोशे बनाएंगे here. So next double crochet again into the same stitch here. So in case of increased double crochet you work 2 double crochet into same stitch and repeat करेंगे to work further. So now following the same pattern, complete the round. So here we are at the end of round 2. So in case of round 2 you have to be very careful. जो फर्स्ट और लास्ट स्टिच है वह हमें सिर्फ 1 डबल क्रोशे लेना था और रेस्ट इंक्रीज्ड. So अभी coming to the last, here we are taking a 1 double crochet only here. So here we are. So now chain 2 to start our next round. We'll consider these 2 chain as 1 double crochet and work 3 more double crochet here. So go to the next and work a double crochet here and then 2 more. Here. So now we'll skip 6 chain here and to the 7th one we'll work again a double crochet and this is how we'll create a space for our sleeves here. So इस तरह से हमने sleeves के लिए एक space create किया है. Now to the next we'll work again double crochet here और इसी तरह से टोटल 8 डबल क्रोशे हमें बनाने हैं. Let's work 5 more straight in the row then meet here. सो ये बैक साइड है जहाँ हमने टोटल 8 डबल क्रोशे बनाए हैं. नाउ अगेन हम 6 स्किप करेंगे लाइक अर्लियर, 4, 5 and 6, and to the 7th one we'll make double crochet. Here. Now work 3 more double crochet to the end here. So here we are alternate crocheting a top for the dress. So this is just the top part for your dress, and here the sleeves what we have created here. So we'll show you how it will look exactly here. So this is the final look of the top or choli you say. This I have created for size 1, though my laddu is of size 0, but I used to make them wear one size bigger to avoid any discomfort. So I have given a chart of measurements where you will get instructions to crochet poshak for all sizes and can easily make dress for your Laddu Gopal Ji. So just pause and have a look, or can take a screenshot as well. So next we'll work on the skirt part. So let's just continue from where we have left. Now take chain 2 to start our next round. 1, 2, and here chain 2 will consider as 1 double crochet. Now working another double crochet into the seam stitch. So this is how we'll create a increased double crochet here. Now to the next, again we'll work increased double crochet. And so now following this same pattern, we'll complete the round. And here we are done with our round 4. So now just turn and chain 2 to work our next round. 1 and 2. So we'll consider this as 1 double crochet. Then turn and work increased double crochet to the next one. Here. Now go to the next and we'll work a double crochet. Here. Now to the next we'll work increased double crochet. ये सेम पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आप राउंड को कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो यहाँ तक हमारा राउंड 5 कंप्लीट हो चुका है और ड्रेस कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगी आपको. सो नेक्स्ट राउंड शुरू करने के लिए विल टेक चेन 2, 1, 2, देन टर्न करेंगे. चेन 2 को हम कंसिडर करेंगे एज 1 डबल क्रोशे, और to the next we'll work a double crochet here, and then go to the next and we'll work increased double crochet, that is 2 double crochet into same stitch. Here. So in this round we'll work 2 double crochet, then increase double crochet, and we'll complete the round. So here we are done with our round 6 as well. So now chain 2 to start our next round. 1, 2, then turn. Consider chain 2 as 1 double crochet. To the next we're working again a double crochet here, and to the next again a double crochet. Then go to the next and work increased double crochet here. So now following the same pattern, we'll complete the round. So till here we are done with our round 7. Now to work next round, chain 2, 1, 2, and we'll consider this as 1 double crochet. Then turn and work 3 more double crochet to the next 3 stitches. Here total 4 double crochet. Then to the next we'll work increased double crochet. So in this round we'll be working 4 double crochet, then increased double crochet. So now we'll follow this same pattern to complete the round. So till here we are done working our total 8 rounds. Moving further to next round, you have to chain 1, which we have already taken, then skip 2, and to the third here we have to work 6 double crochet, 1 and 5 more into the same stitch. Here, so this is how we're going to give a curved shape to our border. Now skip 2 and work a single crochet here. So this is how it will look. Now continue following the same pattern. Skip 2, then to the next, like this we have to work 6 double crochet. Then skip 2 and work single crochet here. So same pattern को follow करना है हमें to complete this round. So here we go. This is how it will look after we are done working our all rounds here, as you see. So now just turn, chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Now we'll secure this left yarn using hook and folding it into the patterns only here, like this. So here we are done crocheting this dress. So next we'll work on border part using some flowers and leaves on it. And here I have crocheted total 5 sunflowers, whose tutorial you can find in my previous videos, and also I'll mention the link in description so you can easily go and find there. So also we have done working with some leaves here, and I have done this in multicolors, as you can see, some rust green and maroon color here. So before we attach this to the dress, we need to work one more step, and for that we need to take a yarn. Here I'm taking 4-ply acrylic green yarn. Make a knot, and we are creating a loop here. So now take it out and pull that loop using hook somewhere between the 7 and 8 round by leaving the 3 stitches from the starting, and then hold the other end of yarn tight and perform slip stitch to the next here. So we'll repeat. So कुछ इस तरह से स्लिप स्टिचेस लेते हुए हम ये पूरा राउंड कंप्लीट करेंगे. So this is how it will look, and here it's done. So now just take it out Get your hook from the down side, insert hook, and like this you have to draw to the downwards and chain 1, then cut the yarn. Here, secure this left yarn, and here it's all done. So, कुछ इस तरह से हमारी ड्रेस फाइनली बनकर तैयार हो गई। आप इसे इस तरह से भी पहना सकते हैं, इट विल लुक ब्यूटीफुल इन अदर कलर्स एज वेल, और कैन यूज़ फ्लावर्स लाइक वी सेड अर्लियर. So here I am taking total 5 sunflowers and few leaves. And as we said earlier, the link of tutorial you'll find in my previous videos. For that you need to visit my channel, and also the link in description I mentioned, you can go and check there. So let's just adjust few leaves among flowers. You can do it accordingly as you like. So let's complete then meet. So here we are all done crocheting this beautiful flower dress for Laddu Gopal Ji. You can also attach a mini flower as I have done to the top, whose tutorial you will also find there. Also, you can crochet this same dress in other sizes as well, as I have mentioned the chart earlier as we discussed. So you can check there how many stitches you need to take for the initials, and the process will be same. Along with this dress, I have also crocheted a mukut or crown for the Laddu Gopal Ji. And how to crochet this mukut, या किस तरह से बनाएंगे इस मुकुट को, इसका ट्यूटोरियल आपको मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएगा, और मैं लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन करूँगी जहाँ आप इसे आराम से ढूंढ सकते हैं. And size of mukut you can decide according to your Laddu Ji. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoy crocheting. If you like the tutorial, then please do like, share and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you for watching. Radhe Radhe.